My name is Filona and I help people expand their consciousness. In the 1970s, the U.S. government launched Project Stargate, a program exploring remote viewing, the ability to gather information using only the mind. The links will be in the description. While its results remain controversial, it highlighted the brain's untapped potential. Similarly, affirmations work by harnessing the brain's neuroplasticity, the ability to form new neural connections through repetition. Scientific research shows that self-affirmations can activate the brain's ventromedial prefrontal cortex, the region responsible for self-processing and value assessment. This means affirmations may not only improve self-esteem but also promote positive behavioral changes. By consistently practicing affirmations, you engage in rewiring your brain, fostering lasting mental resilience. Join us as we dive into the science of affirmations and learn practical ways to strengthen your mindset and well-being.
Welcome to Carnivore and Affirmations. You will find us on YouTube and many other platforms. Our collection of affirmation videos offers a powerful blend of motivation, healing, and mindfulness. Explore specific topics like fighting cancer, peaceful sleep, exercise motivation, and more. Are you ready to unlock the incredible power within you? This journey we're about to embark on is all about transformation. Together, we'll explore the remarkable world of affirmations and sound frequencies. These tools can help you create positive change in your life. Get ready to discover the secrets of affirmations. Learn how they can reprogram your mind for success, happiness, and abundance. We'll uncover the magic of Solfeggio frequencies. These ancient sounds have the power to heal and harmonize your entire being. By the end of this journey, you'll have the knowledge and practical tips to transform your life. Get ready to embrace a world of limitless possibilities. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are affirmations? Affirmations are positive statements that can help you challenge and overcome negative thoughts. They are simple yet powerful tools that can transform your mindset and ultimately, your life. Think of affirmations as seeds you plant in the garden of your mind. Just like any garden, it needs nurturing and care. When you water these seeds with repetition and belief, they grow into strong, positive thoughts that can crowd out the weeds of negativity. Think of them as powerful reminders to focus on the good. They help you shift your attention from what you lack to what you have, from your weaknesses to your strengths. This shift in focus can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. When you repeat affirmations regularly, something magical happens. Your subconscious mind starts to absorb these positive messages, and over time, they become a part of your belief system. This is where the real transformation begins. You start to believe the words you're saying. This belief then translates into actions, and those actions lead to results. It's a beautiful cycle of positivity and growth. Here's the science behind it. Your mind is incredibly powerful. It has the ability to shape your reality based on the thoughts you feed it. Neuroscience shows that our brains are malleable, meaning they can be reprogrammed with consistent effort. It believes what you tell it, whether it's true or not. This is why it's crucial to be mindful of your self-talk. Positive affirmations can help you create a new narrative for yourself, one that is filled with hope, confidence, and success. If you constantly dwell on negative thoughts, your mind will believe them. This can lead to a downward spiral of self-doubt and anxiety. But the good news is, you have the power to change this. This creates a cycle of negativity. Negative thoughts breed more negative thoughts, and before you know it, you're stuck in a loop of pessimism. But remember, every cycle can be broken. But here's the good news. You can break free from this cycle with affirmations. By consciously choosing to focus on positive statements, you can disrupt the pattern of negativity and start a new cycle of positivity. By repeating positive statements, you're essentially reprogramming your mind. You're telling your brain a new story. One where you are capable, worthy, and deserving of success. You are replacing those limiting beliefs with empowering ones. This shift in mindset can open up new possibilities and opportunities, leading you to a more fulfilling and successful life. The benefits of using affirmations are plentiful. When you incorporate affirmations into your daily routine, you invite a wave of positivity into your life. Affirmations can help reduce stress and anxiety. They can boost your self-esteem and confidence. They can even improve your relationships and attract abundance. How do they achieve all of this? Remember, Your thoughts create your reality. When you focus on positive thoughts, you attract positive experiences. It's as simple and as powerful as that. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of sound frequencies, specifically solfeggio frequencies. These special frequencies have ancient roots, dating back to Gregorian chants. They are believed to have profound healing properties. Each solfeggio frequency vibrates at a specific frequency. It is thought to target different areas of your well-being. Imagine these frequencies as keys. Each one unlocks a specific door to healing, balance, and harmony within you. Exploring the frequencies, a journey through healing sounds. In this journey, we will delve into the world of sound healing, exploring how different frequencies can impact our mind, body, and spirit. Let's explore some of the most well-known solfeggio frequencies. These ancient tones have been used for centuries to promote healing and well-being. 396 Hz. This frequency is known as the miracle tone. It is believed to help release guilt, fear, and negative energy, allowing us to let go of the past and embrace a brighter future. It is believed to help release guilt, fear, and negative energy. By tuning into this frequency, we can start to feel a sense of liberation and emotional freedom. It can pave the way for transformation. Just like a butterfly emerging from its cocoon, we too can experience profound changes in our lives. 528 Hz. Often called the love frequency, this tone is said to resonate at the heart of everything, bringing harmony and balance. 528 Hz is associated with healing and DNA repair. Scientists have even explored its potential to repair damaged DNA, making it a powerful tool for physical and emotional healing. It promotes peace, clarity, and transformation. By immersing ourselves in this frequency, we can find a sense of inner peace and clarity, helping us navigate life's challenges with ease. 741 Hz. This frequency is said to cleanse the cells of toxins. It acts like a natural detox, purifying our body and mind from harmful substances and negative thoughts, and promote a healthier body and mind. By incorporating this frequency into our daily routine, we can enhance our overall well-being and vitality. It encourages self-expression and problem-solving. This frequency can stimulate our creativity and help us find innovative solutions to the challenges we face. 852 Hz. Known as the frequency of awakening intuition, this tone can help us connect with our inner wisdom and higher self. 852 Hz is believed to connect you to your higher self and enhance spiritual awareness. By tuning into this frequency, we can deepen our spiritual practice and gain insights into our true nature. These are just a few of the powerful solfeggio frequencies. Each one offers a unique pathway to healing and transformation, helping us to align with our highest potential. Each one holds unique healing potential. By exploring these frequencies, we can embark on a journey of self-discovery and holistic well-being, unlocking the profound benefits of sound healing. The dynamic duo combining affirmations and sound frequencies. Here's a powerful secret. Combining affirmations with solfeggio frequencies can amplify their effects. Imagine listening to the 528 Hz frequency while repeating affirmations about love and self-acceptance. The sound frequency creates a harmonious vibration in your body. The affirmations reprogram your mind for love. It's a powerful combination for healing and transformation. Practical tips: integrating affirmations and sound frequencies into daily life. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of peace and clarity can be challenging. However, by integrating affirmations and sound frequencies into your daily routine, you can create a sanctuary of calm and positivity. Ready to experience the transformative power of affirmations and sound frequencies? These tools can help you harness the power of your mind and the healing properties of sound to elevate your daily life. Here are some practical tips to get you started. Begin by setting aside a few minutes each morning to focus on your intentions. This can be as simple as writing in a journal or taking a moment to breathe deeply and center yourself. Create a morning ritual. Start your day with positive affirmations. Stand in front of a mirror and speak words of encouragement and positivity to yourself. This practice can boost your confidence and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Listen to solfeggio frequencies while you meditate, journal, or simply relax. These frequencies are believed to promote healing and well-being. Incorporate them into your meditation sessions or play them softly in the background as you go about your day. Use affirmations throughout the day. Whenever you feel stressed or negative thoughts creep in, repeat your affirmations. This can help shift your mindset and bring you back to a place of calm and focus. Listen to Solfeggio frequencies before bed. Promote restful sleep and vivid dreams by listening to calming frequencies like 528 Hz or 432 Hz before you drift off. This can help you unwind and prepare your mind for a peaceful night's sleep. You will find a link to our complete affirmations playlist in the description. Be patient and consistent. Like any new habit, consistency is key. It may take some time to notice the benefits, but with regular practice, you will start to see positive changes in your mindset and overall well-being. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Personal growth is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Celebrate small victories and keep moving forward. Trust the process and enjoy the journey. Embrace the changes and the peace that comes with integrating affirmations and sound frequencies into your life. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Embracing transformation, your journey to a vibrant life. Remember, dear subscriber, you have the power to create the life you desire. Affirmations and sound frequencies are powerful tools that can help you unlock your full potential. Embrace these tools with an open heart and mind. Watch as your life transforms into a vibrant tapestry of joy, abundance, and love. Conclusion: embrace the power within. As we conclude this journey together, remember this: you are a magnificent being capable of incredible things. You have the power to heal yourself, to transform your life, and to create a reality filled with love, joy, and abundance. Embrace the power of affirmations and sound frequencies. Use them daily to cultivate a positive mindset, to heal your body and mind, and to manifest your deepest desires. The journey to a more fulfilling and joyful life starts within you. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and watch as your life transforms in miraculous ways. Before you leave, can I ask you a question? Can you look right down below and hit that like button? Be sure to subscribe so you will get all our newest affirmations.